Further, we'll be in recess. Appreciate the correctional facility for making her available for us. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, at the Butler County Jail, are you Anthony Dubas?
Sir, I would like to state for the record and correct that I am not the all caps name on the paper. I am the proper case trade name, sole living heir, beneficiary, and executor of that named trust. I am the living man. I am a foreign national, and
You're a foreign national?
I'm a foreign national. I'm
Really?
an American national. I am here by special appearance only, held against my will, under duress, in false imprisonment, and under false arrest.
This is the classic Sovereign Citizen Act, refusing to be the legal name and claiming to be a living man. He's trying to separate himself from the charged identity, believing it'll place him beyond the court's reach. The judge hasn't even started, and he's already drowning in pseudo-legal nonsense.
Very good. This is State of Kansas versus Anthony Edward Dubas, case number 23 TR 2777. The state appears by Jared Regier. Mr. Dubas appears from the custody of the Butler County Jail. All parties are appearing by Zoom. Mr. Dubas, you're here for a first appearance. You have a copy of your charges.
I am, my honor, Mr. Crum. I am here by special appearance under duress.
You've already been through that. I'm going to read your charges to you. In count one, it alleges that on August 17th, 2023, you did then and there unlawfully operate a motor vehicle on a highway of this state without having a valid driver's license. That is no valid driver's license, a Class B non-person misdemeanor. That carries a maximum penalty of 6 months in jail and up to a $1,000 fine. Count two alleges that on August 17th, 2023, you're operating a motor vehicle, a 2003 Honda Accord, up on a highway or this state, East Fox Trail Street, Andover, Butler County, Kansas, while your vehicle was not registered. That's failed to register a vehicle. That's an unclassified non-person misdemeanor. That carries a maximum penalty of 30 days in jail and up to a $500 fine.
The judge remains composed as Anthony keeps interrupting with special appearance, jargon, clearly reading from some online script, convinced he's outsmarting the system. But in a real courtroom, that magic language means nothing. Only the law speaks here.
Make it clear that I was not operating a motor vehicle. I was operating my private conveyance, not for hire, not for commercial use, not to transport passengers or products for hire. And if I was allowed to have my folder with black text case law in it to be brought here with me, as I asked Mr. Deputy Khalid Baraka, and he refused, I would be able to prove to you with black text case law what the Supreme Court rulings from multiple different cases have stated about the definition of a driver, an operator, a motor vehicle, an automobile, what a conveyance is, and their decisions, aka the Supreme Court's decision.
All right, Mr. Dubas, I'm going to stop you there. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you.
Now he's claiming he drove a private conveyance, not a vehicle, a meaningless distinction wrapped in false confidence. He quotes cases he can't even produce, clinging to belief over reality. It's misguided, frustrating, and ultimately doomed to fail in court.
And we're going to set this over. If you want to present this stuff, you can present it to Judge Webster, who's going to be assigned to your case. Are you going to be able to hire an attorney?
I'm sui juris, so I'm not a ward of the state.
Okay, then you can hire your own attorney. I'm going to set this for November 13th, 2023 at 9 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Regier, do you have a recommendation for bond?
The judge handles it flawlessly. No emotion, no reaction. She simply enters a not guilty plea and moves on. It's a power move of calm authority. You can almost see Anthony realizing his so-called magic phrases hold no power here. This is the difference between real authority and internet fantasy, pure composure.
Your Honor, 2,500 cash or surety with all standard conditions. Also, in reviewing the affidavit, it would appear that when this is alleged that when the defendant was questioned by the deputy, he refused to provide a valid address or any further information. That's quoting directly from the affidavit. I'm not sure if the court wants to make any special orders along those lines or not.
I object. I provided a valid address. It's just a non-residential address.
The prosecutor steps in with context. Anthony refused to provide a valid address. That kind of defiance often triggers higher bond or stricter conditions because the court can't trust he'll show up. It's not punishment, it's about accountability and responsibility.
Or a residential address that is non-domestic, and he refused to accept my proper address or my mailing address.
Well, I'm going to set a bond in the amount of $2,500 cash or surety. You'll need to provide a valid physical address to a bondsman if you wish to make bond, Mr. Dubus. All right, is there anything else, Mr. Regier, on this case?
Nothing from the state's perspective, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Mr. Dubus, you are excused.
Hold on, is it an OR bond or?
No, it's a cash or surety bond.
Okay, so I need a cosigner.
You can put up $2,500 in cash, or you can make arrangements with a bondsman.
Okay, thank you.
Finally, the judge sets a $2,500 bond. The defendant looks confused. So, I need a cosigner? It's a calm, clear ending. No shouting, no meltdown, just reality sinking in. The law doesn't bend for pseudo-legal fantasies.